Introduction to Stuck Improving. Educators are under immense pressure to enhance the educational opportunities and outcomes of Black, Latinx, and Native American students. Graduate students who are college and career ready, foster a sense of belonging, understand and respond to students' learning needs and wants, enact restorative discipline practices, teach and lead for social justice and equity, be anti-racist. It's a lot, I understand, but it's necessary and it's urgent. My name is Decoteau. I'm a parent, educator, musician, and author of several books. I wrote Stuck Improving as a resource for educators who are committed to staying the course to improve Black and Brown students' educational experiences and outcomes, who understand that helping one student at a time is commendable, but truthfully isn't quite enough. Entire schools and systems need to be transformed. Throughout Stuck Improving, I help readers understand the complex process of creating the conditions and practices for transformative school-wide change to take root. My commitment as a researcher, educator, parent, and author is to encourage educators to think differently and deeply about how to improve their organization-wide practices and learning conditions to benefit Black and Brown children. Drawing on research I conducted for 7 years in a school called Central Waters High, I want readers to walk away having understood 3 things about racial equity improvement. First, schools must cultivate organizational racial resources to increase their capacity to enact equity change. Second, even when we put forth tremendous effort to stamp out racism, racism continually reasserts and reveals itself anew. Third, the way to improve is by doing the work of enacting equitable practices and learning in the process. Stuck Improving is organized into 6 chapters, each demonstrating these points by presenting vivid stories of Central Waters educators working toward racial equity, and in doing so, realizing that racism by definition ensures that racial equity is elusive. I give attention to the dilemmas that emerge when people make an effort to transform their schools. I show how working within and through dilemmas builds the equity muscles of the people doing the work, despite the potential of feeling stuck. Here's the big reveal. Knowing and naming when you're stuck is key to improving. If you haven't already done so, I encourage you to purchase and read Stuck Improving so you can read and learn from the experience of educators in Central Waters High School. Take the time to watch the full Stuck Improving mini lecture series. I provide overviews of each chapter and explain the importance of ideas such as organizational capacity for racial equity improvement. Making your racial equity improvement efforts transformative will help you graduate college and career-ready students, foster a sense of belonging, teach and lead for social justice and racial equity. If you found this information useful, please click through the additional videos and share a link to this video with others who may appreciate it. You can also find a downloadable PDF of this information on my website, stuckimproving.com. Until next time, stay in the struggle, and remember, progress is possible, and so is a more equitable world.